everyone, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about data types in Python. So let's start. What are data types in Python? You can say data types are type of data. What is the type of value which we have stored in a variable? So we have to identify that. See the definition also, a data type tells us what kind of value a variable is holding. Exactly what I told you. It can be a number, as I gave you the example of number. Or yes, it can be a text, list, or true false. Okay, true false is a Boolean data type. It helps Python understand how to store and work with the data. If you're storing any data in a variable, so obviously you have to use it in future, right? So you are doing any project, you are doing any program, so maybe you need that data later. So that's why you are storing that data. So there are three types which are included in numeric data type. So first integer, so we also can call it int in short, okay? And it is valid. It is used to store whole numbers. I hope you know what is whole number. So you can see here example x equals to 10, that is a positive value, and age equals to minus 5 is a negative value. So integer is storing both kind of data, positive, negative. Okay, so that's why we are saying integer is storing whole numbers. Next is float, floating point. In short, we can say float. Used for decimal numbers. Okay, you know what are decimal numbers. You can see the example also. Price equals to 9.99 and temperature equals to minus 2.5. Also can see in the example means you can take a positive value and you also can take a negative value in floating point number. Complex, it is also a kind of numeric data type which is used in advanced, used in mathematics, which store complex numbers like z equals to 2 plus 3j. I hope you have seen such kind of examples in mathematics. Yeah, where you are taking the imaginary values, real values. You can skip this if you are a beginner. Second type is text data type, string. Okay, in short, we can say str. Okay, strings are used to store text. It must be inside quotes. Must, and it's really very important to know every time whenever you're writing any text data type, any text, any sentence, you have to use double quotes there. You can see the example here, name equals to Vihan and greeting, hello. So you can see in the first example, I have used double quotes, and in the second example, I have used single quotes. But there is no difference. You can see or between. Or means you also can use double quotes. You also can use single quotes. Then you can use string method like upper, lower, replace, etc. This is for advanced thing. Third data type है Boolean data type. Okay, and in short we can say it's a bool. In short we can say it bool. Booleans only have two values. Okay, try to understand. True and false is also a text, but don't include it in a string data type. ट्रू और फॉल्स को इंक्लूड नहीं कर सकते स्ट्रिंग में, क्योंकि ये क्या है, बुलियन डेटा टाइप है जो कि आपको टू ही वैल्यूज देता है, ट्रू और फॉल्स. आप जब भी आंसर, आपको जब भी आउटपुट मिलेगी बुलियन डेटा टाइप में, तो आपके पास क्या रहेगा, आपको सिर्फ दो ही आंसर्स मिलेंगे, या तो आपको आंसर ट्रू मिलेगा या तो फिर फॉल्स मिलेगा. यहाँ पे आप एग्जाम्पल देख सकते हो, इज एडल्ट इक्वल्स टू ट्रू और इज रेनी इक्वल्स टू फॉल्स. x is equals to 5 and y is equals to 3, and I'm writing x is greater than y. So is it true or false? Yeah, 5 value is greater, and we are also using the greater than sign, so it is true. So we will get the answer true here. What if we will use x less than y? So it is false, because x value is 5, which is not less than 3. So you understand now? You're getting the answers in true and false only. The last line which I have wrote here, that is for the thing which you haven't learned yet, but I'm mentioning it here because if you have a little bit idea about it, so you can revise it from here. Next data type is sequence data type. First type is list, which is used to store multiple items. Okay, it is already mentioned in the definition, like list is used to store multiple items. You can see the example also. Fruits is a list name. Okay, fruits is a list name which is storing value apple, banana, and cherry. You can see all the values are separated by comma. Separate your values with comma, and also you are using the text data type, string data type. So you also have to use double quotes for all values, each value. List uses square brackets. You can add, remove, or change items. Okay, means if you have created any list, you also can add something, you can remove from here something, and you can change items from here. Like you want to replace apple with something else, you can do. If you want to remove apple from here, you can do. If you want to add something else, you want to add grapes also here, you can do. Next is tuple. So you can see like list is using square data type and tuple is using parenthesis. So what is the difference between list and tuple? We are using square bracket in list and we are using parenthesis in tuple. List is mutable and tuple is immutable. Mutable means we can make changes and immutable means we can't make changes. It is unchangeable, okay? And it is also, you can add something and remove something from here. Example is colors, and you are just adding the items red, green, and blue. Also, it is separated by comma, and also you have to use double quotes and single quote or, okay, double quote or single quote for adding any string type data. And then you can see range represents a sequence of number. Thing you have to notice in Python while you are talking about range, always start from 0. If the first value is not given, so it always start from 0. So you can say range 5 is given, so it means it is started from 0 to 4. Dictionary data type. In short, we can say dict data type. A dictionary stores data in key value pair. You can say person, name. I have given my own example here. So name, Monica, and age is 25. So key is name and value is Monica. Age is a key and 25 is a value. Access during the key like person name. In dict type, you always have to store data in a key value pair. Next is set data type, which store multiple items but no duplicate. Okay, in set data type, you can't add duplicate items, unique numbers like 1, 2, 3, 2. So when you will write, if you're writing any duplicate value here, it will do what? It will just change it to one value, single value. And the next is frozen set, like a set but unchangeable. Okay, it is similar to set but you can't change it, and is also a data type used to show no value. There are some examples. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe our channel, like and comment, and please share with your friends. See you in the next class.